Hello, I'm Juan Garcia. I'm Product Manager at Vega on the Communication and Software Division. As a member company of the PACTware Consortium, I would like to show you how easy and convenient it is to set up and commission a radar sensor, and that using networks from the far. Nowadays, many plants are networked via bus systems. I would like to show you how easily it is to have access to this Profibus PA sensor. The radar level sensor is connected to a Profibus segment coupler, which is running Profibus DP, which is then connected to the Ethernet network by using a gateway. The PC, it's connected on Ethernet. That means with PACTware you have an easily and completely access to your sensor. The laptop is connected via wireless LAN to the Ethernet network of the PACTware demo wall. From there we go via Profibus DP and Profibus PA to the sensor. The remote access to the sensor via PACTware is now possible. We start PACTware. The device catalog with the various DTMs of the PACTware demo wall is already loaded. We connect to the Profibus segment of the PACTware demo wall. From here, the connection to the radar sensor is established via the segment coupler. The project tree in PACTware is basically a map of the plant topology. We are now connected to the DTM of the radar sensor. The data are being loaded. The DTM is structured according to the FTT DTM style guide. There is an identification bar in the upper section, a DTM menu on the left side, a graphical info area in the middle, and a parameter input area below that. The symbols used are standardized. Parameterization can now begin. Selecting the application automatically sets various parameters in the background. The min-max adjustment is an important setting for a radar sensor. If the tank content is to be linearized, for example in liters, a linearization is carried out. The DTM provides powerful graphical support when setting up. There may be interfering reflections in the container, caused for example by a filler neck projecting in the tank or internal tank struts. These can be easily and conveniently taken into account by using the false echo suppression in PACTware. To check the result, take a look at the echo curve. After the parameterization has been carried out remotely via the network, a parameter documentation file can be generated at the push of a button to document the sensor settings. The sensor documentation can be saved or printed out immediately. It doesn't matter if you want to parameterize the sensor via a point-to-point connection, direct at the sensor, or using network structures. The result is always the same. The parameterization is full, available, and very easy to do. If you need diagnostic informations, this is also available in the DTM. Use your existing networks and parameterize the sensors from the distance. Maybe out of the air-conditioned control room with a cup of coffee. PACTware. Easy parameterization also via networks.